check that thing out. I never thought that I'd ever have something like this, and it's all coming together. I've got 20-inch travel shocks on the way that will lift it up even higher than that to clear the tires. I've got 3 5-ton steer axles, and then I have this Profab drop box. It's 23.3 drop that has a 2-wheel drive disconnect. I got a deal on that thing, so this thing's just coming together. I can't believe it. Watch me go grab these steer axles, and more videos to come. What do you think, Rowdy? Are you excited? He walked over to the pile of tires and wanted to roll them over here, put them on the truck. We have 3 5-ton military trucks out here. These 2, one right here and the other here, are both missing a hub. I'm getting all 3 front axles and a couple of drive shafts. So this one here is newer. This one's it's got 900 series axles underneath it. Here's the missing hub. And the other truck you can't see, but it's over there in the wood line. Oh yeah. Hey, Ho, what you got? We got big old blaze. We got big old blaze going on. Yeah, it's about out. Hell yeah. Bigger look. Couldn't record all of it, but I got all the steer axles here. 3 5-ton steer axles and 4 roll-arounds and 2 drive shafts. So I'm pretty close to having everything I need. I've got the tires back there, I've got axles, I've got a transfer case, and I've got shocks, and I've got the truck. So we're getting close. I'm getting excited. Now I gotta clean and put all this stuff together and source all my old other parts. Hey Rowdy, what are these for? Are these for a monster truck?
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. He knows exactly what we're doing. Vroom, vroom. Old Skidder donating its tires to the mud truck. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Got a truck just sitting here. What do you think, Rowdy? Put these tires on this truck? Yeah?